Do a little John Deere 7000 series front axle video. This is a 7210 with a ZF axle, so a 7200, 7400, 7210, 7410 could have this axle. It's a 4-pin with 4 dimples. So this was a axle Deere used for a while, and then they stopped using it, and over the last couple of years a lot of this stuff's been discontinued. So tractors that have a loader on them, they're bad about kingpins being, the kingpin's going bad. Guy doesn't catch it, breaks the ear off the main housing, he can't get it fixed. So those pieces are drying up. Also, the main pivot pins, they get worn. Guys will run them till they basically cut them in two. And then so now you can't get anything. So a lot of these tractors still running. A lot of people want to keep them and fix them, keep them running. Hard to trade tractors right now anyway. So here's an option that we do. This is a 7330. It's got a Dana front axle on it. So we can do this as a conversion. Try not to pay attention to the ugliness of the axle, but they just happen to be all sitting here. So we can take this Dana axle off of a 20 series or 30 series or even a M or R series and upgrade it. We can also take an axle like off of a 7600 through a 7830 or 7820. It's still 10 boat. And then if you really need a bunch of extra, we can pull a 12 boat. This here happens to be a high crop, which won't work because ring and pinion's different, but it's the same axle. 7730 through 7930 we'll have it. Actually, here's one right here. So 7730, 12 boat. It's got the 1100 axle with the tow hooks. So lots of upgrade options for that 100 series. These are a little ugly in the video, but just wanted to show the point of what we can do or what we have been doing. And if we can keep your older tractor running when you can't find parts or it's beyond repair, then we at least have an option for you. Let us know if we can help you out.